beautiful children. How are you all doing today? Hope you're fine and safe at home. Our subject today is thematic activity, and our topic is plants. Today we are going to be looking at plants. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to tell me what a plant is, mention some of the plants you can see around you, and also list the parts of a plant. What did I say? By the end of this lesson, you looking at it should be able to tell me what a plant is, mention the plants you can see around you, and also list the parts of a plant. Now, what is a plant? What is a plant? Plants are living things. What did I say? Plants are living things. They are living organisms because they have life in them. Plants do what? Have life in them. They grow just the way you grow. They eat the way you eat. You eat food to grow. Plants also eat their own food to grow. They eat food from the soil. So when they eat those food from the soil, they also do what? Grow. That is why you see a small plant today. This tiny plant that you are seeing here, maybe by the next 2 months, you see the plant will become very tall because the plant is eating food from the soil, and that plant is doing what? Growing. So plants are living things because they do every other things living things do. They have life in them. They are living organisms. And examples of plants include trees, bushes, grasses, and herbs. Trees, bushes, grasses, herbs, they are all what? Plants. They are all what? Plants. They are types of plants. They include what? Trees, bushes, herbs, and grasses. Now, examples of plants: your mango plant, okra plant, orange plant, coconut plant. All those things are the plant. They are all what? Plants. All those things are all what? Plants. Now, let's look at the parts of a plant. Let's look at the parts of a plant. Can you all see the plant I drew on the board? Look at this. This is plant. Can you see this okra plant? This is an okra plant, and it's labeled with the what? With the parts. Have you seen this okra plant? Now let's look at the board. This here is the root. This is the what? The root. And the root is inside the soil. The root is inside the soil. It is inside the ground. So the part of a plant in the soil is called the root. The part of a plant in the soil is called the root. Now this is the stem. The stem is that part of the plant that is above the soil. It's not inside the ground. It is above the soil. So that part of a plant above the soil is the stem, while the one inside the soil is the root. Don't forget that. And this is the fruit. The fruit is the edible part. That means the part of a plant you can eat is the fruit. Now these are the leaves. This is the what? The leaf. Can you see it? So these are parts of the plant. We have the roots. Repeat after me. The roots, the stem, the fruits, and the leaf. Again, let's take that one more time. The roots, the stem, the fruits, and the leaf. Remember, I said that the part of the plant in the soil, inside the ground, is the roots. The part of the plant inside the ground, inside the soil, is the roots. While the part of the soil above the soil, that means on top of the soil, is the stem. While the part of the plant that we can eat is the fruits. And this is the leaf. You can see it. Here now is the root. I uprooted it from the soil. This whole part was inside the soil. So this is the root. So the root is that part of the plant that is inside the soil. While the stem, these are the stem. The stem is the part of the plant above the soil. So that will bring us to the end of this class. I hope you understood what I taught you. Don't forget